I got involved in robots in 1979, and so TechWeld Automation, which was our original name, is just an offshoot of that. We've developed the robots over the years. As we hit our 15th year, we decided to change the logo to reflect more what we do, which is not strictly welding, but more material handling and other robotic applications, such as the cell behind me, which is a system winding heating elements. We change between 10 different tools and lay down many, many different patterns of these heating elements and then roll the silicon rubber that sandwiches the element. And it comes out as a finished product. So the person who was winding this wire by hand and suffering repetitive injuries, wrist and elbow and so forth, they are now operating this machine, and it makes them much more productive with less danger of injury, makes the product more consistent, less chance for waste and reject parts, so it gives them a much higher quality level. We go into a company and they tell us what their need is. In this case, it's we want to reduce the repetitive injuries. We want to make the product more consistent and faster. So we look at their project and we determine how can we best do that. In this case, we determined by changing between 10 different tools, we can pick up different types of wire and apply them. The operator stands out where I am and they unload and reload while the robot's doing the difficult work. And we have the operator station over here where they select what product they want to do, and they control the whole system from that multi-level screen, but it's very operator friendly. We design all the software and operator controls for that. We determine what robot is the best fit, the tool design, build that. So when we get done, it's a complete package. We do the operator training, and we do the installation, setup, and support. So it's a complete system that there's no loose ends. I think what we find most satisfying is we get the opportunity to go into a company. They tell us what their problem potentially or their need is. We look at a solution to that problem. We get to follow it from just an idea in our head all the way through the design, the build, the installation, and see it in its complete form. And you get to see it actually doing what you imagined it doing. And the other nice feature is, because of the multitude of products we do, you'll be driving down the road and you get to see your product pass you by or out operating, mowing grass, or whatever it might be. And that's a very satisfying feeling.